Hello everyone. I'm very happy to meet you all with the other video. That is, as we look up in the previous video, and it helps us to retrieve the data from a large data only done with required data on the vertical basis. If the data are being stored in a vertical basis, say for example the name of the students and the other data are being stored in like this, and if we want to retrieve like this, we can use that. And if normally, why most of the companies are preferring VLOOKUP is, like, mostly our tendency is to maintain our record based on the vertical basis, and normally we will not maintain our record like this. So if we have a data like this, how we can make our data like this? This is also possible with the support of HLOOKUP. We know very well about lookup function, VLOOKUP. Likewise, HLOOKUP helps us to retrieve the data horizontally from the large set of data. As we did it for the VLOOKUP function, here also we are going to use the HLOOKUP function. Here we have to, as usual, we have to assign the value, then table array to be mentioned over here, and there in the vertical lookup we give number of columns like 1 2 3, and here we have to give it as a row number to be given. It's a row number. Here the section is in the name is in the first column and section is in the second column. Yeah, so the column number is 2 and exact match we are expecting. Obviously it will bring the data. Again, as we did it for the lookup and the H lookup, we have to log the cells in order to get the accurate data. If we are not logging, obviously the Excel will take up the immediate cell for the calculation. So that's why we are using this. If we are giving this the A column to be taken, now it is a 10th row to be taken. Obviously if we drag it, A column 11th row will be taken, and 12th 13th 4th. So likewise we can take up this data like this. So even if we like to add some other data, that is also possible. I will show it how it can be done. And likewise here a section are being denoted, and here the uh, and the column to be specific. Gender obviously it is in the third column, so we have third row, so we have to give the third, sorry, extremely sorry, we have to give the gender is in third, so we have to give it as a 3, and age is in the fourth column, fourth row, we have to give it as a, instead of 2 we have to give it as a 4. Likewise we have to give it for the other data sets also. It helps us to bring the data as a requirement. And also this is our 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th column. This is our 7th column. So we will get like this. Once we select this, we can take up this data, and we drag it, we can get. Say for example, I like to compare. Say for example, again I want to just understand. Just I like to have it in the Anuday again. This is also possible. Once we type it, we will get it. If we if it is a large amount of data, if we like to retrieve like this is also possible. So here the formula we are using is the HLOOKUP function, equal to HLOOKUP, and we have to give up the lookup value, and the table to be defined, and the row to be defined, and exact match to be defined. If we are giving these data, and we have to log the table array and the call and the row which we want to given the lookup value, obviously we will get the exact. It is a very easy method to retrieve required data from the large set of data. Okay, hopefully it is very useful for all the members who are having data like this and we want to transfer the data like this. It's super easy for us with the support of the Hlookup. We will meet in the next video with some other function. Thank you.